Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, I'm going to show you how I took some 80% off Hobby Lobby winter items and some Dollar Tree items and created this beautiful black and white tablescape. And if you're interested, stay tuned. Channel, how's everybody doing? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this black and white tablescape using some of my 80% off Christmas items at Hobby Lobby and Dollar Tree items. So when I go into clearance items, I always think outside the box. I think about purchasing items that I can use longer than seasonally. So that's why I picked up a lot of just white items like this house, this ceramic house, and I picked these squirrels up during the after fall sale. So I'm always thinking outside the box because you know my channel is budget friendly. So I'm trying to give you ways to save money on home decor. So this is what I've created using this tablecloth. This is a Robert Stanley tablecloth. I think it was $29.99, so I got it for like $4. And I have used it, so it's been washed. So as you can see, nice quality. And I came in with these white Dollar Tree chargers, then the black plates from the Dollar Tree, and then I combined some linen napkins that were gifted to me and some of the Robert Stanley napkins from Hobby Lobby. They were $7.99. I paid like 60 cents for them. And I picked this napkin ring up about 2 years ago from Target there after Christmas sale. So always buy off season if you can. And then I just added this beautiful ice skate. It's a ornament, but I'm using it as a decor piece right now because it is still winter, people. So when you are going to these sales, well, when I go to the sales, I look for items I can use in other ways besides the season. And then that I have two place settings like that, and then I did this place setting where I made the napkin into a bow. I'll do a tutorial on that at the end of the video. And then I just added the Robert Stanley napkin here. So same thing. So I just put a few little jewels from Dollar Tree out. And this vase is a vase that I DIY'd using a thrifted vase. Thrift to treasure. I'll link that video in description box. And I just added some of the white peonies. I think these are peonies from Dollar Tree, and added these icicle picks that I picked up from Michael's about 2 years ago after Christmas sale, or either I got them in a grab box. I can't remember, grab bag. So this is my black and white tablescape. I like the way it turned out. If I could, my entire house probably would be black and white. I just like the look of black and white. So this is it. Nice and simple, just utilizing some items I already have. Not purchasing anything new. Thinking outside the box when I create tablescapes and decor. So that's what I came by to show you. Different ways that you can use the items that are on the after Christmas clearance. You can use them now because winter doesn't end till February the 21st, everybody. So this is it. So tell me what you like best. What's your favorite part of my tablescape? Is it the ice skating ornaments, the beautiful bow napkins, the buffalo check napkins, the black plates, the white chargers, the the tablecloth, the jewels, the white houses, squirrel, or the arrangement? So that's it. If this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Mrs Vee. I focus on ways to help you save money by shopping the clearance rack, by doing projects yourself, by waiting to purchase items. So that's what my focus is, showing you ways to save save money. And if there's something you're interested in, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button at the bottom of the screen and click that bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload videos. I finally got on the schedule. I'll be uploading twice a week on Mondays and Thursdays. There will be changes when necessary, but that's a tentative schedule. But for right now, it's Mondays and Thursdays. So this is Miss V. I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm always help you save on some of the things you need to get some of the things you want. Stay tuned for the bow tutorial.